Our company produces packaging machinery for primary and secondary packaging in the pharma industry. And we also offer track and trace equipment as well as cartoning and inlay design and have a full service portfolio. The VarioFill is a flexible filling and capping platform that allows us to pack tablets as well as liquids, such as over-the-counter liquids, in a highly flexible format range with different closures and also different bottle sizes. The challenge with the VarioFill was to realize this very flexible concept in a very small footprint. And the XTS from Beckhoff allowed us to realize this. The XTS from Beckhoff offers the advantage of gentle handling of the bottle throughout the whole process since it is never released. It also offers modularity, so we are able to scale the machine just for the customer needs and achieve a small footprint with that. And lastly, we are able to go to every station and function in the machine with different counts, and therefore we optimize the process times and increase the output. The cooperation with Beckhoff is really good. It's a good partnership, and the innovation ability of Beckhoff allowed us to bring the VarioFill to really the level we needed.